Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Brendo from Powerful Progressions coming back at you with another tutorial. So today guys, we are talking about how to play sad or somber piano music. Now in order to play this type of music, there are three things you have to know first as a beginner. Number one is that you have to know your minor scales. Number two, you have to know how to use your sustain pedal. And number three, you have to know how to improvise. Now, if you're a beginner and you have not yet learned these three things, I would highly recommend you checking out my beginner's course. In the course, I actually go through step by step on how to find the scale of every single key, major and minor, how to use the sustain pedal, and also how to improvise. So today I'm going to give you a small snippet of what to expect when you do enroll in the course. So let's get started. So this tutorial is going to be in the key of F minor. So number one, we have to establish what scale we're in or what scale we're using for our sad music or sad piano music. I've noticed that most of the time, in order to play those sad songs, we need to be in a minor scale. So F minor is a good one. If you are just starting out, I would not be opposed to you starting off with A minor, because it's the same as C major. So A minor looks like all the white keys. But today we're in F minor. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to be playing in my left hand, because everything in my right hand today is going to be improvised. What's going on, musicians and aspiring musicians? It's your boy Brendo from Powerful Progressions, checking in with you to share with you one of the most easiest and fastest ways to get your piano playing out of the beginner phase and save you thousands of dollars on lessons without you even having to leave the comfort of your own home. So with this system, I can save you from years of learning compared to traditional lessons, because what I do is I teach you the stuff that you actually need to learn to start playing your favorite songs today. So check this out. On average, taking traditional lessons will typically cost you around $2,600 per year. And that's just because those instructors will do the best to stretch lessons across weeks of learning when it should really only take you a day or two to learn. So when you invest in this course, in my course, you're literally getting all the benefits of traditional lessons without having to invest the same amount of money, time, plus you get the convenience of learning on your own schedule and at home. However, space is limited because I do want to focus my energy on the students that I have currently. So click the link in the bio, enroll now before time runs out. See you soon. So starting off, I'm going to start with just the F, E, E flat, D, D flat. I might even go to C, might even go to a B flat, and back to F. Okay, so now that we've established what I'm playing in the bass, it's important to know that everything I'm playing my right hand is going to be part of the F minor scale. So here's an example of something that you can play if you want to create sad music. So what I want to point out now is that what I just played was improvised, yes, but I did have time to study the scale, so I knew exactly which notes were available for me to press. So if you look at the F minor scale, there's only so many notes I have available. So we have F, G, G sharp, A sharp, C, C sharp, D sharp, and F, you know? So I'll show you again. I'll play it differently. I don't know, I might do something different this time. So let me just give you another example. If the arpeggios are a little too much for you, you can always do this. Real simple. So that's just one example of what you can do with a minor scale and how you can create such an emotional and sad sound on the piano. And I would definitely recommend you test out different chord patterns and get creative. You know, what I just showed you was one example. I'm sure there's many other different patterns you can come up with to create that sad, somber type of music. So let me know, was this video helpful? And if it was, please share this video with somebody you know, and also save this video so you can always refer to it when you need it.